Hi guys, Doc Rory po. Sa video na ito, pakikilala po natin sa inyo ang newest DLSM HSI Green Sentinels Women's Volleyball Team members at ang new DLSM HSI PEP Squad.
It's my honor to present to you our players, the DLSM HSI Green Sentinels Volleyball Team. Starting first for senior high school, wearing jersey number 7. Open spiker, Jason Cantula. Next, wearing jersey number 9, playing center, Isaac Ray Chalice. Wearing jersey number 14, playing libero, Ligaya White. Next, playing open spiker, wearing jersey number 5, Gianna Alexa Ferrer. Wearing jersey number 1, playing middle spiker, Rika May Garcia. Next, playing middle spiker, wearing jersey number 12, Daniela Valmores. And last position of this team, we have an opposite spiker, wearing jersey number 6, Jen Kilua. Now we move on to our college team. First, playing center, wearing jersey number 18, Estelle Dorothy Rosu. Lorraine Lorejo. Playing center, jersey number 15, Eileen Shelo Baldeo. Next we have jersey number 8, playing center, Isabella Shelo Ciso. Next we have an open spiker wearing jersey number 3, Jasmine Nicole Solano. Playing libero, jersey number 4, Andrea Clarín. Next, we have the hitter, wearing jersey number 8, Zekia Gabriel. playing with the striker, wearing jersey number 11, Kylie Monique Jesus. Wearing jersey number 90, middle striker, Eliza May Bendo. Playing libero, wearing jersey number 17, Kailan Cristel Naval. Next up, playing opposite fielder, wearing jersey number 16, Griffin Lian Bucaya. Last but not least, wearing jersey number 2, Middle Spider. Palakpakan po natin, Estela Tabu! Thank you, girls. Kapakilala muna kayo isang isa. Sige po, umpisa na. Jasia.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jasia. 17 years old and senior high school from Las Marinas, Cavite. Good morning, everyone. My name is Nysa Green Chavez, 15 years old, senior high school from San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Good morning, everyone. I'm Lugaida Becket, 16 years old, senior high school from Las Marinas, Cavite. Good morning, everyone. I'm Gianna Perez, 16 years old and senior high school from Bacoor, Cavite.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Garcia, 16 years old, senior high school from Tarlac. Good morning, everyone. I'm Daniela Balmores, 15 years old, senior high school from Tarlac Province.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jedes Huluan, 16 years old, senior high school from Imus, Cavite. Good morning, everyone. I'm Lorraine Rejo, 16 years old, senior high school from Antique.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Stella Dabo, 18 years old, BSRT from Tarlac Province.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Virginia Bukayan, 18, BSRT from the province of Capiz.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Diane Cristel Gabal, 18 years old, BSRT 14 from Imus, Cavite.
Good morning, everyone. I am Eliza May Bando, 18 years old, BSRT from the province of Capiz.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kylie Garcias, a BSS student, 19 years old from Surigao del Sur.
Good day, everyone. I'm Zikia Gabriel, 18 years old, BSRT from Bacoor, Cavite.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Rita Clarin, 18 years old, BSRT from Las Marinas, Cavite.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jasmine Cosi Salano, 18 years old, DTM from Imus, Cavite. Good morning, everyone. My name is Isabella Sison, 18 years old, BSPT from Makati City. Good morning po. I'm Shella Mateo, 19 years old, BSOP from Las Marinas, Cavite.
Hello po, I'm Asna Lusu, 20 years old, BSPT from Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Thank you, girls. Balita ko, may inataro kayong performance ngayon. Okay, interviewin natin si... Ano ba hinanda niya ngayon? Ito, leader na lang pagdating sa performance.
Hello po. Meron po kami hinanda sayaw sa inyo na performance na sana magustuhan niyo. Ayun po. Kung alam niyo po yun, sabay po kami.
Mukhang bagong-bago to ah. Ready na ang music? tawag dito ay...
So, good morning po. Tulad po ng Pep Squad, may tuturo din po kaming cheer sa inyo. Ito po yung ginagamit at gagamitin namin sa future games. So, ngayon po, ipapakita po muna namin and then sa next, kung kayo po sabayan niyo po kami. 1, 2, 3, go! D! L-S! M! H-S-I! D! L-S! M! H-S-I!
So, sasabayan na namin. Sabayan daw natin sa lahat. Iniimbitahan po namin ang lahat na tumayo.
2, 3, go! D! L-S! M! H-S-I! D! L-S! M! H-S-I!
Alright, thank you.
Good day, Animal. On behalf of the women's volleyball team, we would like to extend our deepest gratitude for your warm welcome today and for celebrating this historic moment with us. We commit to represent our alma mater with pride and honor. Please support us in our future games. We hope to see you there. Animal Assault. Say one, two, three. Thank you, Sentinel.
Alright, bilang pagtatapos po, iniimbitahan po namin kayo later. We will have an exhibition game at 3 p.m. between DLSUD Senior High School team. And after the Senior High School game, we will have the college game between St. Francis of Assisi College, Bacoor. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat. Animal Assault!